Hi everyone. Second question. The distribution of the amount of gravel in tons sold by a construction supply company in a given week is a continuous random variable. It is a continuous random variable with PDF. PDF is given, means small fx is given here, 3y square for y is between 0 to 1 and 0 elsewhere. This is your PDF is given. First, you have to find A, calculate expected value of Y, and second, B part, calculate the expected value of Y minus 0.75. Now solution. First, A. We will solve A. A means expected value of Y. And you know the formula of expected value. In case of random variable means we have to find integration. That means integration from minus infinity to infinity. Y, this is Y. Y Fy dy. Okay. Now here where value is between only 0 to 1. Elsewhere 0, बाकी सब जगह 0 है, केवल 0 to 1 के बीच में fx है. That means 0 to 1 y fy dy, and this one will be 0 to 1 y into fy. Fy is between 0 to 1 is 3y square. This one is equal to 3y square dy. That means this 3 is taken out as constant term. It is constant term y cube dy. So it will be equal to after integrating it will become 3 as it is 3y 4 by 4 from 0 to 1. And now put the limits. It will become 3 into 1 to the power 4. That means 1 by 4. That means 3 by 4. Okay. Now you have done this expected value of y 3 by 4, or it will be equal to 4 7 ja 0.47 ja 28 2 20 4 5 ja 20. This is 0.75. Okay. Now B part. You have to find, and this is 0.75, and this expected value is mu. Mu and expected mean and value and expected value are same. So mu is equal to 0.75, and here you have to find expected value of y minus 0.75 whole square, and 0.75 is mu. So this one is equal to variance, or you can write this one. This one is equal to E y minus mu whole square. If y minus mu whole square, that means E x minus mu whole square is equal to variance of x, and this is E y minus mu square. That means this is variance of y. Okay. Expected value of y minus 0.75 square. 0.75 is mu. That means expected value of y minus mu whole square, and this is the formula. If we put expected value of y minus mu square, then this is variance. So we have to find variance, and formula of variance is equal to E y square minus E y whole square, and this is equal to x gy y minus 0.75 whole square. Okay. Now you have ey. You find out this ey. Now you have to find ey square. Ey square. Find out this one. This one will be equal to minus infinity to infinity y square fy dy. Okay, and here is between 0 to 1 only. That means from 0 to 1 y square, 0 to 1, this value is 3y square dy, that means 3 take it out, from 0 to 1 y square y4 dy, that means 3 into, take integration of this y5 by 5 from 0 to 1, that means if you put the value it will become 3 into 1 to the power 5, that means 1 by 5, and if you put 0 it will become 0, that means 3 by 5 equal to 0.6. Now we can find variance of y. Vy is equal to expected value of y square minus e y whole square, and this one is equal to expected value of y minus 0.75 whole square. Now put the values. Ey square is equal to 0.6, or you can write 3 by 5 minus ey is here 3 by 4 whole square, that means 3 by 5 minus 3 3 is 9 by 4 4 is 16. LCM of this is equal to 80. 16 3 is 48 minus 9 5 is 45. 3 by 80 or 0.0375. Okay, this is your answer. Third question. If CDF is given, find expected values. Fy is given, y less than 0 is 0, y between 0 to 2, y by 8, y between 2 to 4 it is y square by 16, and y greater than 4 is 1, and you have to find expected value. So solution of this, you have to find expected value, means ey, and ey for continuous random variable, its formula is this. Its formula is this. This one is PDF and here it is CDF. So first of all you have to change CDF into PDF. So first change this into PDF. This is Fy and small fy. Small. If we change from CDF to PDF, we differentiate the CDF. Differentiate the CDF. Okay. Then differentiate this. Differentiation of any constant number is 0, and this y by 8 means it will be 1 by 8, y square by 16, that means 2y by 16, and constant term 1 का क्या होगा 0, and this is for y less than 0, y between 0 and 2, and y between 2 and 4, y is greater than 4. This is your CDF. Okay. Now we can find expected value. Expected value is minus infinity to infinity. This one is y fy dy. Okay. Now here this one is 0 and this one is 0. That means minus infinity to 0. This is 0 dy, and from 0 to 2 this is 1 by 8 y into 0 dy, and this is y into fy. Fy is here 1 by 8 dy, plus from 2 to 4 y into, and this one become 1 by 8, y by 8. That means y into fy. Fy is here y by 8 dy, and plus for 4 to infinity it is 0, y into 0 dy. That means this one is 0, this one is 0, and this one is 0. Don't need to write this one. Now y, take it out, 1 by 8 is constant, take it out, and integration of this will be equal to y square by 2 from 0 to 2, plus this one will become y square. Take it out, 1 by 8 is taken out from integration, and this y square का क्या आ जाएगा, y cube by 3 from 2 to 4. Okay, now this one is equal to 1 by 8. Put the value of y square, 2 square by 2 और 0 पुट करेंगे, वो सीधा 0 हो जाएगा, प्लस 1 by 8 इंटू y क्यूब यानी 4 क्यूब by 3 माइनस 2 क्यूब by 3. Okay, this one is 1 by ये 1 कट गया, 2 by 8, 1 by 4. This one is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 into 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64 by 3 minus 2 2 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 by 3. Okay, and then we'll get this equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 into 3 LCM, 64 minus 8. That means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 into 56 by 3, 7 by 3. Take LCM, 4 and 3, 12. Here it will be 3 plus 28. That means 31 by 12. Now similarly you can find variance also. You can find variance also by using formula e y square minus e y whole square. This is for you. Solve this and get the answer. If any problem is there, I will solve this. Okay. Fourth question, given fx, PDF is given 1 for x between 0 and 1, 0 for otherwise, and hx is given maximum x and 1 minus x, and 1 minus x if it is between x is between 0 and half, and x if x is between half and 1. Now so you have to find ehx. Solution of this, you have to find ehx. Okay, and hx is maximum x 1 minus x, means e maximum x 1 minus x. Okay, now expected value of this is equal to x fx dx. If here it is x, then if here it is maximum x at 1 minus x, then we have to write here minus infinity to infinity maximum x 1 minus x into fx dx. fx dx. Okay, now here it is written that if x is between 0 to 1, it is 1, and otherwise it is 0. So no need to do others. We have to take only integration between 0 and 1. That means from 0 to 1, it is maximum x 1 minus x into fx. For 0 to 1, fx is 1, and this is dx. Okay, now we have done this. Now for this one, maximum x 1 minus x is between 0 to half, it is 1 minus x, and between half to 1, it is x. So separate this from 0 to 1 by 2, and from 1 by 2 to 1. Maximum x 1 minus x between 0 to half. 0 to half is 1 minus x. 1 minus x into 1 dx, that is dx, and here it is x between half to 1, it is x into 1 dx. Okay, now take integration of this. This is 1 dx, means x r minus x square by 2 from 0 to half, plus इसका क्या हो जाएगा x square by 2 from half to 1. Okay, now put the value half, 0 पुट करेंगे तो 0 आ जाएगा, माइनस 1/2 स्क्वायर बाय 2 प्लस इसमें पुट करेंगे 1 तो 1 स्क्वायर बाय 2 माइनस हाफ स्क्वायर बाय 2. ओके, now it will be 1/2 minus 1/4 into 2 plus 1/2 minus 1/4 into 2. That means 1/2 minus 1/8 plus 1/2 minus 1/8. Take LCM of this. It will be 8. 2 4 are 4 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1. 4 4 8. 8 minus 2/8. That means 6/8. It is 3/4. Answer is 3/4. Understood? Now expected value we have done. अब next वीडियो में मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए बाय. Have a nice day.